This is it, the final class. In this lesson, I am going to take you inside a full smart money trade, from zone marking to real execution. We're not guessing, we're following structure, liquidity, and confirmation. Just like institutions do it. Welcome back to Smart Sense, and welcome to Class 6, the final step in your smart money mastery. Let's bring everything together with a live step-by-step breakdown of a real market setup. No theory, no cherry-pick candles, just real price action, interpreted the way smart money sees it. Step 1. Higher time frame bias and smart zone selection. We start with the 4H or daily chart. What are we looking for? Market structure. Are we in a clear trend or range? Where is liquidity being built? Where's our valid order block, our imbalance zone, or breaker structure? On screen, you mark the chart and narrate. Here we can see the market in a clear bearish structure, but this strong 4H rally grabs liquidity above equal highs. We mark this zone as a potential reversal area. This is where you identify smart money intent. Step 2. Wait for liquidity sweep confirmation. Zoom into 1H or 15 meters. Look for the moment price sweeps a high or low, rejects with a large wick or engulfing candle, begins to shift structure. Tell your audience. Notice how price runs above this swing high, sweeps liquidity, and then immediately fails to break a new high. This shows smart money dose and T, when priced to continue up. They just wanted to trap and reverse. This kills 90% of retail trades. You're showing the difference between seeing a level and seeing the logic behind it. Step 3. Change of character plus break of structure. Walk through the internal shift. Price breaks previous countertrend, low gives change of character, priced in confirms. Direction with a new impulse gives break of structure. Say, right here, we get the perfect confirmation. The change of character tells us the trend is flipping. The break of structure confirms it. This is where smart money starts getting involved. This is where confidence replaces guesswork. Step 4. Execution and entry model now. Highlight your entry zone. 2. Smart options. Entry on order block, retest. Entry on lower time frame structure, break after confirmation. Layer in your stop loss below structure, above the sweep target. First imbalance gives liquidity, zone gives trend continuation point on screen. Use risk to reward box, tell them. Stop loss is tight, tucked behind the sweep. TP1 hits the imbalance. TP2 runs the previous low for max liquidity exit. This is an execution smart money would mirror. Step 5. Post-trade review. Why this was high probability, zoom out and debrief. You had HTF structure, liquidity, grab, change of character, break of structure, clean risk management, and no emotional entries. Say, this isn't just a win, this is repeatable. This is structure-based, logic-based, and it's everything you've learned in the first 5 classes, tied into one real trade. This last sentence cements the full course value in their mind. Final recap. The reason this trade worked wasn't magic. It's because we respected the hierarchy of smart money trading. You understood who's behind price. You followed structure, not signals. And you executed with discipline, not emotion. If they've made it this far, they're no longer retail. You just completed the full Smart Money Masterclass by Smart Sense. If this opened your eyes, imagine what happens when you fully live these concepts. Subscribe, go back to Class 1, and rewatch this entire series. Leave a comment saying mastered so I know you're part of the 1% who finishes what they start. And make sure you're here for what's next. Because this isn't the end. It's level 2.